The name of the book is I'm Going to See My Counselor Today, Yay. And each book will have a separate child with a different psych diagnosis. So this is Tommy and ADHD, and he's a superhero of kids counseling. I teach a lot of the clinical type classes, so I teach psychopathology in the grad school, I teach abnormal, but it's like, we really need to start getting this out, like nursery school even, to talk about, like just mental health. Well, I have kids and grandkids, so I picked from some of that, and I really want families to look at their children honestly, and if they think that maybe the child is not acting within the range that they think is appropriate for certain behaviors, if the child is impulsive and can't sit still, I would like the parents to see it's okay to take them to their pediatrician and get an assessment, because the earlier we treat these children and acknowledge, a diagnosis or see this kind of behavior, we can identify early, educate early, at their level. That's why I wrote this book. It's at the level of a 5 and a 6-year-old that can understand it. And they can see that there's no stigma. Parents can see that there's no stigma. And what I hope they get out of it is if eventually my series and the other ones come out, they'll be informed and it will keep growing. And this information about, it's okay to see a counselor, and they learn to change behaviors when they get into college or in high school, they won't have feelings of, a depression or high levels of anxiety. I really like teaching students to be counselors here at this level, at the college level. We need more counselors, and especially post-COVID. There's a lot of pressure and the world's just crazy. So to learn at a younger age and kind of go with it and get some education and self-caring and plans, good counseling plans, I think that can hopefully help.